Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a reading from 27th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. All right, now, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, so let's continue with your reading now from my Sagittarius. Let's see what isn't. Okay, so you have got a King of Cups, might be dealing with a Scorpio over here. Okay, but the Queen of Swords. So your energies, let's see what is going on in your life. Some kind of separation, some kind of new beginnings I'm seeing over here. All right, now, so your core energy is King of Cups over here, and the hindrance card is the Queen of Swords. So there is a part of you where you are feeling emotional, but this person or you might have cut someone off in your life. You know, you are not anymore with this person with whom you were dealing with, and so that is why new communications, new relationships, new beginnings are coming up in your life. You might be entering into new relationships as well, but there's something you have ended. See the Fool card, new beginnings again. So something is going on. Let's see, let's clarify. King of Cups, the Sun, and Five of Wands. So I'm seeing over here that there might be some kind of a fight, an argument was there, and you're not talking with this person anymore because of that fight. Might be happened that, you know, this fight made it became a little worse, or you have fought for this person and this person didn't see that thing coming up. Let's see what is it. All right, so the Queen of Swords clarified by Eight of Rods and Devil. I'm seeing over here that you loved this person, you loved the connection, but what was not, you know, what was not visible was actually there was a fight with someone, I guess, and not with this person, with someone else for this person, and it was just an argument, but that person was portrayed something else. That person was shown that this person was not taking your side, something like that. You know, there was a miscommunication over here I'm seeing, and that led to a breakup, that led to a separation over here. Let's see your subconscious energies. The Chariot with the Two of Wands. Yes, there were some things which were still, you know, you really needed to talk to this person about some things in your subconscious mind. Since the problem was not created from your side, so it's looking like you are, you know, somewhere deep down behind your back, you know, at the back of your mind, you know that some things will never change. That person is not coming back, you know that. Let's see what are your conscious energy. Eight of Swords with Two of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. So there is some kind of fear, some kind of restriction with this person with whom you are dealing with, because this person is not communicating with you. Neither this person is telling you that now we are separated. This person is playing a game of hide and seek. Sometimes they are coming, sometimes they are leaving you. So you are not ready to see this, you know, to just finish off this relationship, because I'm seeing that everything was done pretty well from your side. It was, you were fine with this person, but with this argument, with this fights, you were like, okay, I cannot deal with you anymore because you are not trusting me. There were trust issues as well. So you were like, so let's just be, let's just separate each other. So but this person is not. Let's see, 5 of Pentacles with 3 of Pentacles and Temperance. Yes, so there's some kind of a hide and seek going on, because in your past it is like a separation was there, but with the 3 of Pentacles, separation then patch up, separation and patch up. So that is what is going on. And with the Temperance, it is looking to me as if someone is really innocent over here, I'm seeing. And it might be you, because you are ready. You are ready to take a leap of faith again for this person, because it's in your energy. You are innocent. You are feeling like, what to do? What can I do? I am there. I'm standing for you. Now what do you expect more from me? But that person is really demanding. I'm seeing that that person needs more from you, like, give me this, give me that. But you're tired now. Let's see the future energy with the High Priestess, 5 of Swords and 8 of Swords. All right, so you're not able to deal with this person anymore. So this person has showed you his or her face, the real face is out, and you are not able to deal with this thing. But you are still restricted. I'm seeing it over here, but that you are not able to take any step forward without this person. You want to move, but you are feeling like you are in a cage, you are in a prison, and you want to go away. You want to just just leave me alone for some time, please. I just want now, I want the closure, but the closure is not coming towards you, I'm seeing. The Fool, yeah, you want a breakup. You want the things to end now. And with Ace of Cups, sorry, Ace of Swords, you want clear breakup, basically. You are not ready to sometimes break up, sometimes patch up. No, you are not in that zone anymore. You want, like, if you want to leave me alone, then leave me forever. Please don't come back to me again. But this person I'm seeing with the Knight of Cups, this person is a playboy or a playgirl, and this person comes towards you again and again with an offer of love, with their lovely talks, because they know how to take care of a Sag. So yes, so they are not going anywhere, Sag. I'm sorry. They are the Knight of Pentacles. All they come with are the lame excuses. They just tell you that, I'm sorry, I cannot go. I don't know, whatever excuses they make. You shouldn't have known really well, because they are still a Knight and Page. So you are dealing with a person who is not mature enough, who is very immature, who doesn't know what to do, who doesn't even know what does that person want from you. You are dealing with that person I'm seeing over here. They come to you with an offer, with a rose in their hand, and then they will tell you that how much they love you. See, I cannot live without you. But again, you see them talking to someone else and being with someone else, like the way they used to be with you. But that is something you are not letting go, and you are tired of this relationship. I'm seeing, see the guidance cards over here. They are telling me you are tired. You cannot continue with this kind of a relationship. All you want is loyalty, and that thing is not coming towards you. Knight of Swords with the 8 of Cups. All right, so the guidance cards are telling me with the 10 of Wands, Knight of Swords and 8 of Cups. So you really want to leave the person, but I'm seeing that they are not ready to leave you, and they're not ready to give you the love which you want as well. Let's see the outcome energy with the 2 of Pentacles over there. With the 2 of Pentacles as well, I'm seeing that these kind of things are going to linger on for some time. Queen of Pentacles and 9 of Swords. So I'm seeing that you will be in this situation for quite some time, because all you want is some kind of maturity. You want some kind of discipline in your life, but you are not receiving one. That is making your life one hell of that, you know. All right, my Sag, that's all from my side, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.